Jamaica. This is what it really is.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Andrew. You know, labor rights. My eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord. And I guess tonight we are well pleased and satisfied. Going to ask now to come to you at this time. A man who over the last couple of weeks have been carrying the fight on behalf of the people of Jamaica, especially our school children. So let me welcome now Member of Parliament for Portland, Western, Minister, Transport, Energy, Science, Darrell Vaz.
Well, I've been through hills and valleys.
Hey, that I won't be long, because I'm coming all the way from Portland on the invitation of your Member of Parliament and heading back there when I leave. But I had to come to support Juliet Holness. I had to come to burn some bad mind. And I had to come because I'm going to give them bus after bus after bus after bus after bus after bus.
Slew them up their feelings, them a carry.
Three things. Because I'm not going to detail Desmond and the meeting. Because I will have many more time to talk. Because the time is drawing nigh. And I'm going to go through every nook and cranny of Jamaica and give them bus after bus after bus. And when I'm done with that, we're going to give them a bus ass. Come whenever the Prime Minister decides. I'm going to do a remix of that song tomorrow and call it Darrell Bus. So let me tell you now, very quickly, I hear a lot of things being spoken about Portland. And who come to Portland and what I'm going to do in Portland. Well, as I said before, it's 7 different people come to Portland from 2007 to 2020. And all 7 of them get buses and all 7 of them leave and go back to town same night.
Them get out. Them get out.
So we're going to give them the same treatment. So I said to you tonight, don't listen to no guy. Tick off East Portland, tick off West Portland, put them down on pack anytime they're ready for the election. The other thing I will tell you is that despite the bad mind over the bus and the wicked and evil comments about the bus, I want to tell my colleagues here tonight that coming here from Portland, I stopped at JUTC Lyndhurst Road because tomorrow morning, as Hap put on him drawers, I have buses going to test 122 routes across Jamaica for the next 4 days. I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me. And I want you to listen to me carefully. 100 bus is what we have that is going to roll out between September and December. That is going to take care of 258 rural schools. But we have 850 rural schools in Jamaica. The 100 bus is 122 routes. So you see, Papi into Mavis Bank, tick it off. Papi into Red Light, Irish Town, tick it off. Juliet Holness going to get school bus. Juliet Cuthbert going to get school bus. And them going tired with the school bus.
Driver.
The school bus are going mad them. And let me tell you something. Wednesday is holiday. So we only have Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Them going to see bus in every nook and cranny starting tomorrow morning straight through Independence. Then going mad over bus.
Driver. Don't stop at all.
No. We not stop bun the bad mind them. So I said to you, don't get distracted when you see them have headline in a newspaper about our party leader. Because it's the same playbook in 2016 when them bad mind him over him house. Now them are bad mind him over little money. They are wicked and evil, and we're going to deal with them come election whenever that day is announced. So I said to you, anyway you see them, whether them gather in a 1, 2, 3, 100, 500, 1,000 or 10,000, all you have to do, I point on them and tell them say bad mind. And when you tell them that, they shame and you see them put on the way and start walking. Because they know that bad mind is the wickedest thing ever. Bad mind worse than any sickness. Because it means that you're grudgeful from your heart. You're grudgeful from your heart. So guess what? East Road, St. Andrew, Jamaica, bun bad mind.
Bad mind get the best of them. Bad mind get the best of them. Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. To choose Jamaica, choose JLP. Yes, we're building a better future together. Stay true no
Yes,
matter.
man, so why me done so quick? I said, becoming never want you cuss me. You want more? You want more? You want more? All right. Me not ever say nothing. I'm not saying a word more. Me just want to show you something.
Hello, bad mind. Good morning. Yeah. Hello.
No labor rights. I want you to get yourselves in the groove. I want you to start to prepare yourselves. Because soon. So labor rights. Going to ask now just to come and greet you. Because him come from here a council one, but him gone down a St. Ann. And we still remember him. So let's welcome to greet you, the Minister of Water, Member of Parliament, Matthew Samuda.
Matthew Samuda. Shower.
Show our labor rights. Show our labor rights. Minister Mackenzie say, "You still remember me." Me wonder if Mavis Bank labor rights still remember me a area council one. Me wonder if Dallas labor rights still remember me a area council one. Me wonder if Garden Town labor rights were there still remember me from area council one. Me wonder if Harborview labor rights still there. Remember me from area council one. And before me ask Kintyre, Mona Division labor rights, you know still remember me from area council one. But Kintyre were there at your place. Not true. Kintyre labor rights, you know remember me from area council one. Papine labor rights, you know there. Let me tell you something, labor rights. This is an interesting community. And this area council is not a normal area council. You have the benefit of having the minister
of Finance in Eastern St. Andrew. Big up Favour Williams. But Labour Rights of East Rural St. Andrew, you have the benefit of having the Speaker of the House, the Honourable Juliet Holness. Big up your Member of Parliament. Labour Rights, I will not belong. We have a lot of work to do in a very small time. There are 3 major water sources in Kingston and St. Andrew. One is the Hermitage Dam, one is the Mona Reservoir, the other is the Tulla Springs, which supports Kingston and St. Andrew from St. Catherine. Those are your 3 major systems. And that has not changed for the last 100 years. That is what it is. In 2015, you needed 55 million gallons a day to support Kingston and St. Andrew. That was the demand. But it was the demand because the network was collapsing. Because 70% of the water that we collected was leaking or being stolen. Today, Labour Rights, in 2025, having built dozens of high-rises, hundreds of complexes, whole heap of apartments, enough business place, whole heap of warehouse, we only need 37 million gallons of water in Kingston and St. Andrew. That is not by accident, Labour Rights. It is because over 10 years, the Labour Party government has said enough of the leaking pipes in Kingston and St. Andrew. We have set about fixing the water distribution in Kingston and St. Andrew. We have said enough of the workless man them who used to run the water commission. We have said we're going to cut the leaks, we're going to cut the theft, and we're going to fix the pipes. Now what is interesting, Labour Rights, is that there is no period in Jamaica history where more pipe laid. There's never been a prime minister who lay more pipe. There's never been a minister of water who lay more pipe. But the PNP find reason for criticize. But your government has broken ground and started to lay a pipe from Ferry to Rockpond, way up at the top already is. $1.4 billion worth of investment. We're going to benefit Dwayne Smith constituency. It's going to benefit the Pagan Anthony Hilton constituency. And it's going to benefit Juliet Cuthbert constituency. Labour Rights, how much I want to have friend and family up already is? Whole heap on me, I say. You ever visit them yet? Pure water problem now, them have done. It is this project that is going to fix the water supply for the people of Red Hills on the back of $1.4 billion of investment. So you see, whether your friend them live at Marvally, whether them live at Pembroke Hall, whether them live at Cooper's Hill, whether them live at Red Hills, it is this government that is fixing them water supply. And in 18 months, them not have to worry about bad pan. Them can take a shower. But you see, Labour Rights, when people here say one area, I fix water, them say, what about me next? Why me have to fight today? I will tell you why I have to fight today. Because for 40 years, no money never invests in the Water Commission. No water never invests in Rural Water Supply Limited. The last time water invests in a water in this country was Edward Siaga when him carry water through the Yellow Pipeline come fix Kingston problem. But labor rights, your Prime Minister said enough of that. Enough of that. It is why while we stand right here, so right up the road, the people in a Constitution Hill can tell you, say every time them look, them see new pipe lay. Every time them look, them see new tanker bill. Every time them look, them see new bumper install. Because we're done with the PNPism. Labor rights, we are in a drought. We're not getting a rainfall. We're not a control over rainfall. And right now, you're short at 12 million gallons a day in Kingston and St. Andrew. Whether you're there at Blue Mountain or you're there at Hagley Park, it's 12 million gallons we need for Kingston and St. Andrew. But your Prime Minister, in February of this year, broke ground on a water treatment plant that will bring 15 million gallons to the people of Kingston and St. Andrew, including East Rural, East St. Andrew, Southeast St. Andrew, Southern St. Andrew, because labor rights. He was a student of Siaga. So I hear my deputy leader tell me 7 time up. But the time now come. Labor rights, your government is fixing water. Your government is making sure whichever community you are in, you will have water in your pipe. Because we're done with the bath pan. A time for shower. Shower labor rights. Shower labor rights. Shower labor rights.
Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. Choose Jamaica, choose JLP. Yes, we're building a better future together.
You know, labor rights, I want him to understand that despite he has gone into center, we are proud of Matthew Samuda as a product of the Jamaica Labour Party out of Area Council 1. And he's a part of a team of hard-working ministers of government. And I want now to introduce to you tonight a man who has taken the responsibility to help to change the state of healthcare in Jamaica. The PNP try to bash him, they try to undermine and to criticize the work that he has done. But every Jamaican recognize that it is not just snapping of the fingers that change the health system. Let's welcome the Minister of Health, Member of Parliament, Dr. Chris Tufton.
Thank you very much, Deputy Leader Mackenzie, my colleagues on the platform, shower to all of you, my colleagues in the audience, shower to all of you. I want to begin by saying that Juliet Holness is the best thing that ever happened to East Rural St. Andrew as a political representative. She deserves your support. And I am happy to see you here tonight, giving her that support, make sure she come back to Parliament after the leader, Andrew Holness, fly the gate, and you get a chance to go out and give her another term as your member of Parliament. I want to also say to you, the people of this constituency, that we know, say, Bull Bear Health Center gone down. And we know, say, you not please either. Because we know, say, you kind of have to catch out the Harbour View in a one like a makeshift place. I am hoping that you understand why that is the case. Progress of the highway into St. Thomas. I want to say to you that your MP has met with me maybe 12 times, lobbying as a member of Parliament should do to ensure that you get the proper replacement for the Bulby Health Center. We have identified lands in at least 2 locations. The truck stop area as you enter the highway, and one other location, both flat lands. We are now deciding which one is the best one for the health center, and designs have already commenced. I just want to say to the people of that area, with your member of Parliament leadership, and I as Minister of Health and Wellness, Andrew Holness as Prime Minister in the 3rd term, you will get a brand new health center in the Bull Bear community. It's not only Bossa mad them. This little document I mad them too. This past week, this government under Andrew Holness unveiled as part of the team effort our record of achievement as a government over the last 8+ years. And it have the orange people them in a tailspin. They don't know what to do. They don't know how to respond. As a matter of fact, I am convinced that some of them have to go visit the psychiatrist in the public health system to sort out them brain and try to understand why them saying and doing the things that them doing. One man decides him not leave the goat farm and him go wipe car window because him don't know how to respond to a record of achievements. One lady in St. Catherine say, all of a sudden, she admits to them bad mind, and they must bad mind the labor rights even more. I hear the same goat farmer man say that if him get the chance to lead education and him not do and transform it, then him rather die. Can you believe that? Well, the odds are in his favor because he will not get the chance to provide any leadership of education. Not a man who say one thing today and another thing tomorrow. I saw one of my constituents this morning and him said to me, MP, I may not know if it's true, but me trust my constituents. Him say Andrew Holness and Mark Holding go on a Pink's fabric. They go buy fabric. Andrew buy pure ribbon cutting material because of this book of achievements. Mark Golding buy pure low-income cloth of yo. Something to you. And I know I don't have a lot of time. But let me say something to you. The People's National Party are involved in what I classify as they're a tragic comedy. I want you to listen to me good. They are a tragic comedy. They are more into hype and comedy show than they are into substance. And sometimes you kind of want to laugh at the clown type of performance on their stage. But you can't laugh because it's too serious. This is a serious time. This is about the future of our country. How can we trust people who say one thing today and say another thing tomorrow? How can we trust the future of our children with a man who say he ma go extend hours, and when the Jamaica Teachers Association say, yo, that can't work, then him say, well, me I go try and look at it again. They have not thought out clearly what they dream for this country. They are changing and providing what they say are policy directions as they go along on the fly. Them want build house in a swamp down a Portland because them see swamp and see house down there. I am saying to you today, when the leader of our party, Andrew Holness, called the election, you have a responsibility. You see this document? There is no fluff in this document. None of these achievements were because policies were determined on the fly. None of these documents, these policies, these success, these achievements were determined without thought, without work, without team effort. And they are real. They cannot be challenged. You must feel proud of your party. Let this election be a day of decision for the future of yourself, your family, and your children, labor rights. The people of Jamaica cannot trust the future of this country to people who are uncertain about what they are doing, or who spend most of their time acting like clowns on a stage, providing entertainment to people who they think will laugh and then vote for them. Jamaican people not that stupid. But we have a greater responsibility. We have distributed thousands and thousands and thousands of copies of this document. And it catch them off guard. Then wake up one morning and in all 14 parishes, all them sees a booklet of 256 achievements. And guess what? We could put another 256 in there and more. That is the success of your government. We want you to feel proud to be labor rights. We want you to approach this election in a way that first and foremost look at your future and the future of your community. That's why Juliet Holness is the best choice for East Rural St. Andrew, because she defends you, she defends your interests, she defends the community. And that's why Andrew Holness is the best choice to lead this country for the next 5 years, and why we must support him. Everything else is entertainment. And I don't have a problem with entertainment because laughter is therapy. So laugh with them as much as they give you a joke. But when the time comes, tell them to go to the circus. We in the Labour Party will provide leadership to bring this country beyond what we have done today. Show our labor rights. God bless you.
Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. To choose Jamaica, choose Jamaica. Yes, we're building a better future together. Stay true to
Labor rights, hands in the air. Come on. Kentire.
I love you, Lord.